morning, YouTube audience. We're over here on West 4th Street this morning in Reno, Nevada, knocking down a two-story fake log cabin. Rigo's running the excavator. Cueto's on the water control. You've got a house, hotel, restaurant, apartment building, industrial plant, high-rise building, parking garage. Hey, you got anything that needs to be torn down, get on the phone and dial 775-833-1647 for all your demolition needs. Licensed in both states, California and Nevada. Arizona is pending. Once again, folks, 775-833-1647.